unboxing. So we got some gloves, Scentsy wrap, some ink caps, vitamin A and D, a nice size pack of ink, but tattoo kit ink usually isn't the best. I wouldn't recommend using it on skin. We got a power supply. Needles. Probably like some sort of variety pack. We got the machine. Two skins. They seem pretty thin and cheap, you know, but it was for a bargain deal on Amazon. Can't really beat it. You got everything you need to start practicing. 2 sheets of stencil paper. What looks like a manual. This isn't even the machine that's in the box, but I mean, they all do the same thing basically. Showed a little power supply adapter. You got the power supply, you got the charger cable. We got the machine here. Kind of resembles the Bishop, but it's a little smaller if I'm not mistaken. Definitely a little smaller. And in the box you got RCA cable. Hold the button down for it to start. Battery's at 100%. 6 volts, 7 volts. Well, that's 7 volts. 8 volts, 9 volts, 11. I'm not really a fan of these click style power supplies. I like to be able to toggle in between volts, like 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 7, and then 7.1, 2, 3. You get what I'm saying? Going from 6 to 7. I ain't really feeling that, but you know it's cool. The machine feels good. It was running pretty smooth just now. The parts feel quality. It's kind of tiny though. Let's see what they gave us with the needles. We have, what is this, a 7 shader, 7 mag, 5 mag, 5 round liner, not bad. Seven mag, 3 round liner. Pop one of these 5 round liners in there. Feels pretty smooth though. Feels good. Pink is the only color they had. I'll probably put a sticker over it. We're gonna do something on this flimsy piece of, I don't know what. Put my gloves on first. Let's pretend like I'm tattooing a real person. Practice makes perfect. But they got this thing double wrapped. I know the skin is gonna stain like crazy. Let's go. I'm at 6.6 volts, feels good around there. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Man, this thing is so thin. Like I'm almost on the other side already. Like there's not even enough skin to tattoo. Surprisingly, it didn't stain. And I mean, it's something. It's something.